Often when we're stressed, our bodies carry the load. Progressive muscle relaxation is a technique used in the medical and mental health fields to help offset some of the mental and physical effects of stress and anxiety. The practice involves alternating between tensing and tightening your muscles for 5 to 10 seconds and then releasing and relaxing them and progressing from the muscles in your feet all the way up to the muscles in your face. In addition to providing relief, this technique can also increase awareness about how stress is showing up in our bodies so that we can identify and address it sooner rather than later. As we prepare to practice this technique, please note that during this exercise, your muscles should be tensed but not strained. And if you have any injuries, feel free to skip the affected areas when we come to them during the exercise. As we flow through the next few moments of this exercise, pay special attention to the feeling of releasing tension in each muscle and take note of what it feels like to be relaxed. I think we're ready now, so please find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Feel free to rest your hands in your lap, down by your sides, on your belly, or whatever feels natural to you. If it feels accessible and appropriate, you may also choose to close your eyes. For the next few moments, I invite you to follow the sound of my voice as we move through this progressive muscle relaxation exercise. Begin by taking a deep breath and noticing the feeling of air as it fills your lungs. Hold your breath for a few seconds. Release the breath slowly and let the tension leave your body. Take in another deep breath and hold it. And again, slowly release the air. Once more, even more slowly now, take another deep breath. Fill your lungs and hold the air. Then slowly release the breath and imagine the feeling of tension leaving your body. Now, move your attention to your feet. Begin to tense your feet by curling your toes and the arch of your foot. Hold on to the tension and notice what that feels like. Now release the tension in your foot and notice that new feeling of relaxation. Next, begin to focus on your lower leg. Tense the muscles in your calves and hold them tightly, noticing the feeling of tension. And again, release the tension from your lower legs and notice that feeling of relaxation. And remember to keep taking deep breaths. Next, tense the muscle in your upper legs and pelvis. You can do this by tightly squeezing your thighs together without going to the point of strain. And again, release and feel the tension as it leaves your muscles. Moving up now into your stomach and chest area, you can create some tension by sucking your stomach in, squeezing it as hard as you can and holding that tension just a little bit longer. And then release and allow your body to go limp. And again, let yourself notice the feeling of relaxation. Continue taking deep breaths, slowly noticing the air as it fills your lung, and hold it, and then slowly release. Next, tense the muscles in your back by bringing your shoulders together behind you. Hold them tightly as if you're trying to squeeze a pencil between your shoulder blades. Tense them as hard as you can without straining. Hold it. And now release. And again, feel the tension as it slowly leaves your body. And notice this feeling of relaxation. Notice how different your body feels when you allow it to relax. And now we're moving on to the arms. From your hands all the way up to your shoulders, make a fist and squeeze your arm as tight as you can. Flex all the muscles and hold it. And then release the tension from your arms and shoulders. And notice the feeling of relaxation in your fingers, in your hands, and all the way up. Now moving up into your neck and head, tense your face and your neck by distorting the muscles around your eyes and your mouth and your throat. Holding it there for just a few more seconds. And slowly release, and again notice the feeling of relaxation. And finally now, I'm going to invite you to tense your entire body, from your feet to your legs, to your stomach, chest, arms, head, and neck. Squeeze it all, tense it all. And now release your whole body and allow it to go limp. And again, paying special attention to the feeling of relaxation and how different it is from the feeling of tension. As we make our way out of this exercise and back to the present moment, begin to wake your body up by slowly moving your muscles. Maybe you adjust your arms and legs. Maybe you shake your head, wiggle your fingers and your toes. Stretch your muscles out, and then slowly begin to blink your eyes open when you're ready. As your mind and body find their way back to this present moment, my hope is that you are feeling a little bit more relaxed and grounded and more calm than you were just a few moments ago before we started this exercise. While this is great as a tool for addressing stress in the moment, sometimes even as it's unfolding, it's also important to develop a consistent practice whereby you tap into these types of exercises so you begin to develop a relationship with your body such that you can notice the tension early on and you can be more proactive about addressing it sooner. As we wrap up this video, my invitation for you is to consider how you might incorporate the progressive muscle relaxation exercise or any of the other tools and activities that we're sharing in the Caring for Caregivers program into your daily wellness practice. We hope that this exercise and all the others are helping you to feel informed, equipped, and empowered to optimize your